But some people corrected that we turned to them. No, we didn't. Because when we came with our customs and tradition, which was entirely different from theirs.
Okay.
You understand? So later, the name Adewu became the Adewu for Amodan Intra. It became Dantra for Dan Intra for
Adewu for
Amodan Intra.
Amodan Intra.
Became
So Adewu people who depend on Intra.
Yes.
Wow. Intra.
They gave us the land to settle.
Okay.
Because we didn't come early.
Okay.
Yeah. We came late. Yeah. So we were there with them.
So let me ask, is it that all this, the Bunu and all these people, we're all running from the Arabic invasion?
Yes.
Like for the Arabs trying to oppress you, to take their religion.
Yes.
So that's why all of you were running.
All of us, all the accounts, that's why we migrated southwards.
Okay.
But some came earlier than others.
Okay.
You understand? That's why we
So why did you come late?
Because we tried to resist them.
Okay.
That those people were actually the warriors among the accounts. So we tried to resist them.
Okay.
But we realized that no,
You can't.
You couldn't.
Oh.
So we had to come and join our brothers here.
Okay.
Yes, sure.
Okay.
That's when we came here. At that time when we came, Anamia and Co there for established the Bunu Manso.
Okay.
And let me talk about Bunu Manso. Talking about Bunu Manso. This is, you see, when you are moving from the top to the south here, you are moving from grassland to forest zone.
Okay.
And any wise person will not rush, will not move from grass to forest.
Okay.